Question 4 asks about the average difference in GPA from high school to college among all students. So if I navigate back to my data, and this time I just get rid of all of the filters so it has everybody, so I just clicked on the little filter button. Then there's actually a couple different ways that I can do this. I can have Excel do a subtraction for everybody's college minus high school all the way down in column M and then take the average of that. Or I could take the average of everybody's high school GPA, take the average of everybody's college GPA, and do a subtraction of that. They're both going to result in the same number, so it really doesn't matter one way or the other. So I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to do the subtraction first, and then I'll do the average. So I'm going to click in cell M2, and I'm going to begin with an equals, and I'm going to say L2 minus F2, so college GPA minus high school GPA for this first student. I hit enter, and then I'm going to position my mouse back in cell M2, so I have a thick cross when my mouse is in the middle of that cell, but when I drag it to the lower portion, the lower right portion of the cell, it becomes a skinny black cross. When you have the skinny black cross, click and drag and go all the way down to the end of the column where you have data and let go. So that will actually give you the difference for every student on each row. And now if I find the average of that, which is just now in cell M102, equals average, and then I want to start in cell M2, go down through cell M101. So I'm going to take the average of all of those differences, so I then hit the right parentheses, hit enter, and this shows me that the average difference is a negative 0.40, meaning that students' GPAs in college tends to be about zero point 0.4 less than it was in high school. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy from the formula bar right here. I'll click the green check after that, and then return to my worksheet. So this was a negative 0.40. And here's my formula.